Hello, my name is Sean Brasney, Sales Director for Monex Deposit Company. Welcome back to the Metals Market Update. Today we're talking about gold. Last week on June 30th, gold closed at $1,800 per ounce. If you're looking at the long-term monthly chart, which we don't spend a lot of time on that longer-term monthly chart, but from time to time it gives us some really good clues. And last week, we got a close above a key number of 1773 on that monthly chart. And take you back in time, back to August and September of 2011. Gold at the time in August was reaching to its all-time record-setting highs up at 1917 per ounce. And then in September of 2011, gold hit a 1923 all-time record-setting high in its price, before falling by $400 per ounce in that same month in September of 2011. It fell to a 1523 low and closed at 1564 on the market. For about the next year, gold traded between that 1560 and it hit a high close of 1773 in September of 2012. It created a downtrending market in gold that all the way, in fact, up until December of 2015, gold put in a low at 1045, intraday low at 1045 per ounce, before starting its current uptrend. There have been a couple breakouts along the way. Back in June of 2019, gold broke above its high resistance at 1398 and gave its first breakout with a close up around 1413. That breakout brought us to a high of 1564, which by the way was the high set back in that 2011-2012 area, was the resistance area, the low close back in that time frame. Well, we came up and hit that as a resistance level in January of 2020. Before pulling back, we did have an opportunity to rebound back up based on really June of last year, when the Fed changed course with their interest rate policy, created the first breakout. And as we came into January of this year, gold got through that 1564 high and has last week set a new breakout close at 1773. And has targets as high as 1850 to 1870. When you consider gold as the leader of the precious metals complex, you have to consider silver as a second in command. If we look at just the gold to silver ratio, which has been trending right around 96 to 98, if the gold to silver ratio broke out above 80, and if we only get back to 80 on the gold to silver ratio, that puts silver up at a little over $22 per ounce. If we get back to the gold and silver ratio average, which is a little closer to 60 to 1, that puts silver up at $30 per ounce. So gold is leading the way. Give Monex a call today, talk to our account representatives, and let's see which metal is best for you.